So basically I'm just create a project which has my app statelet, and my app has material app, then home page, then another home page statelet widget. Okay, and now it has scaffold background color is gray. Scaffold has a center widget, then the image has height 500, that is fill, and that's all. Now for input any widget or text, or like text, image, or anything, and button on this image, in the whole image area, you have to put the image under the stack widget. How? Just wrap the widget, wrap with row or column. Okay, something is wrong. Okay, now wrap with row, like, then just cut it stack, because stack has the same property like row and column, which is children, and children has main properties. So what or how exactly stack work? See, this stack widget, this is children image. So if I put another widget, so just listen carefully, this is the first widget and this is the second widget. So what it will, how it will work, it will work that the second widget, it will be text or anything, it will be upper or overlay for the previous image. So let's write a text like data style text, font size is 40. See, data is the upper folder. If I put this here, I don't know what will happen. Let's see. So basically what is happened, the picture is overlay the text, so we can't see the text. So this is how it is work. So this is the simple stack. So now what to do? If I want to, okay, data, let's color it white. Okay, let's see data, and this is sunset. Okay, sunset. So what we want, it the sunset will be in the bottom. So the best way for using this positioned widget is here, position widget. So position widget will basically position the widget of the whole area, this whole area. So basically it has left, top, right, bottom, height, width. Okay, so basically I want it to in the bottom. So for bottom I have to create the bottom like 5. So see, there is the 5 distance. So what I will in the middle, basically this left 5, not good, 50. Okay, so what you can do, it's media query dot of div and then size to 2. So left is like width, not height. So size dot width into 0.5, I think. Let's go for power, like, so what we'll do, it's we do is 20, sorry, 20 is not good, 40, 60. So or some right property, you can use it right also. So right 20, left 20, or left 40. So you don't have to use right. So this is how you can change. Or bottom 50. See, bottom 50 means there is a 50 space, then it will take the handlebar. So what you want another widget. Okay, another widget on the stack. See, another. So what there is what you see, so you have the same position. Okay, same position widget we have called position widget. Okay, and doing const. So this is the sunset position, same, so we can see the difference. See, sunset. So from the we'll start, sorry, top. So like time or see. So this is how stack and position work, and this is the best way for using it. So you can put another image on there, like this image widget, copy and paste it on the right of here and write it 50 and 50. So see, there is a picture, and you have to position. You can it positioned here, like here, here, or here, here. That's all.